using SAS and SQL programming. Okay, and I'm looking for people experiencing building statistical modeling using SAS Enterprise Miner. It's another very powerful data mining software from SAS and SAS stats. Okay, so again, I'm not making this up. It's the actual description from Roger's job posting. Then again, this is the actual job posting from HSBC. Working in a fast-growing business and part of a highly energized department to provide an independent assessment of risk profile and performance of business line to include multi-lending, unsecured installment loans, credit cards, private label credit cards. Assist the portfolio oversight manager in developing, implementing, and managing the proper and appropriate level of risk analysis. So the previous job posting from Rogers is to understand customer behavior. However, this job posting, as stated in the title, is the credit risk analyst in the risk management. What's the manage? Mortgage risk, unsecured installment loan risk, credit card risk, and private label credit cards. Okay. So this is a risk management job. Again, requirements. Same thing. Minimum of a bachelor degree in mathematics, statistics, finance, economics, or equivalent. However, as a hiring manager, I'm flexible with this. A minimum of 2 years of proven credit risk management experience within the financial service industry or a related field. Good working knowledge of credit risk. You at least have a good working knowledge of credit risk. When we say, what's the 30 days delinquency rate? You need to have an idea what's 30 days delinquency rate. Outstanding analytical depth, proficient with decision support tools such as SAS, Miner, SQL, Excel, or VBA. Must have analytical computer and statistical skills as well as ability to approach problems in a quantitative manner. This is kind of just saying you need to have analytical skills. Okay. Basic understanding and experience with SQL. Experience in loss forecasting and reserving will be considered a strong asset. So loss forecasting and reserving. So this is from the capital requirement because you need to forecast how much you will lose in order to have how much I want to reserve. Strong written and oracle communication skills. So again, you see, you need to have good working knowledge of credit risk, and you need to understand SAS and using SAS Enterprise Miner to build models. So I have shown you 2 job postings, one from the Rogers as a customer to do models on customers. This part is to do models on credit risk management. So the course provided in Toronto College, we have a course called Risk Management in SAS. Through the course, you will the first part of this class of this course is to introduce risk management, why risk management, and the idea of credit bureau. Then we'll talk about what's the credit risk. Then this part, we will use SAS stats or base SAS to build a model in Rogers regression in SAS, which I will go through all the steps from a data mining standpoint view. Then we will talk about how to develop a credit scorecard, data preparation, initial analysis, reject inferences, and score allocations. The final project is to build a credit scorecard from quantitative data to a final credit scorecard that can be implemented and validated. And the next part all this part is doing base SAS. There are no SAS enterprise miner involved. And the last part of this class is give you a brief introduction of SAS enterprise miner. I want to teach you the how SAS enterprise miner approach data mining. They're using the SEMMA scheme. S stands for sample, E stands for explore, M data management, data manager, M for model, and A for assessment. And I'm using this example, this data as an example that you can see how we can build a model in just base SAS and enterprise miner. So this course is specially designed for risk management in SAS. After this course, you should be familiar with retail credit risk concept, understand credit bureau function. At least you know how many credit bureaus you can be able to build a credit scorecard. And also programming SAS, understand logistic regression. If like the hiring asks you what kind of model have you in mind when to build a credit scorecard, you will say, I will build a logistic regression or design tree, and how to decide score cutoffs based on different requirements. So as I say, this course is especially designed for risk management in SAS. So it's a very short and neat course. Probably you have a very good idea of the retail credit risk and ready for interview for applying for the second category of the jobs. We also have a more big course on data mining. So the previous course, risk management, is specially designed for risk management profession that will most likely to work in a bank or credit union. This course is designed for people working in every area. So the first class is to introduction to data mining and introduction to SAS enterprise miner. So for this class, we are exclusively using SAS enterprise miner as our tool to do modeling and data mining. And introduction to different predictive models. For example, design tree, logistic regression, linear network. That's the unsupervised analysis, which is cluster analysis, association analysis, like how to group people based on common attributes. And association analysis is the analysis actually review that beer and diaper are bought together. It's called association analysis. And the projects, we will do various projects involving the financial data, retail data, customer data. For customer analysis, we will do customer data, and association analysis will do kind of purchase information based on what they put together into the same cart. So after this course, you will have a very good understanding of data mining concept, be familiar with all kinds of predictive models and data mining techniques, and be able to program in SAS enterprise miner. Okay, it's very important because SAS enterprise mining is kind of the next wave of data mining tools, because it's a very powerful, however very, very expensive software. Only the big banks and big companies will buy that. That's like 500,000 a year just to get the license. So if all the big companies are looking for people with SAS enterprise miner skills. Okay. So that concludes today's presentations. So any questions?
How long does the course run?
How long?
Yeah.
For the credit risk is 16 hours, so 4 classes.
4 classes.
And for data mining, it's a bit longer because it covers different industries. So it's, I think it's 9 classes, which is